Hey, welcome back to my channel. It's Expat Rebel. Hey, this is Chris, and I've been vlogging about my Mexican beach home renovation that's going on. And today we had a lot happen. The solar guys finally showed up. They've been preparing off site, and they installed this metal structure here right off our bodega. And the bodega and this are going to hold, I think it's 10 solar panels. And they did this design here so we'd still have some room. That's the door, the gate to the street right there. And so it wouldn't take up a lot of room. Also underneath here, since it's going to be, shaded basically, we're going to have a potting table for plants and a sink over here for even like art cleanup. So we're getting into painting and one of the things we want to do for fun. And this area is going to be that. It's going to be, underneath a bunch of solar panels in shade and whatnot. So that's going on. And then in the pool, we finally got stone in the island in place. For that, though, this used to be our sidewalk here that they stuck in. They took it out because it wasn't flat. And they're going to redo it. Believe it or not. So the stone ring around the pool island was installed today. This took one person a whole day to stick this in, which was amazing. They're going to come back tomorrow and finish the edge off and make it nice and everything. Now this Venetian tile that's on this is what it's called, that's on the sides here. It's actually already on place. They just have paper protecting most of it around. Well, we're going to have them, of course, do it around the island and the bar stools, plus the base that the bar stools are on, and then maybe even these steps if we have some extra. We have a little almost a whole box left, so that's probably going to happen. Now on the steam room, they finished the roof, and they have a little drainage hole that goes up here so that any water that collects up there will drain out. That's going to be the equipment room. We have to get another door for that, which we haven't figured out yet. This door for the steam room is ordered. And I mentioned in a previous video, it's about $350 for it. We're still picking out the tile that we're going to stick in here. We're going to have a bench here and here. And we're going probably with a pebble tile on the floor. I just like that look. And a marble tile for the size and the seats, because it looks really nice and luxurious and everything. And it's really the same price as any other tile that we get. So why not? So that's what we're leaning towards. We've been watching lots of YouTube videos to decide, what we wanted to do. Now the pool filter room hasn't really changed, but they made a whole cover here today, actually in the pool. So, and we need one in another kind of house filter room, which is over towards the street. But this they made here, we made it in the pool because it's flat. This will be used in the pool filter room so you don't fall through the floor. So they're making that as well today. So that's probably all they did today. It was a lot. And they're telling us, people that are in charge of the pool and the steam room, that's one team. We have an electrical and plumber team, and then we got the solar guys, their team doing it. They're separate. And the pool and steam room crew are telling us they're going to come early and stay late next week, for the next week, in order to be done in about a week. So we're looking forward to that. Don't know yet when they should coom the pool, how long we have to wait for that to dry before we can actually stick water in the pool. I don't know that yet. I've asked that, haven't got an answer yet. But that could delay exactly when we get in the pool. But hopefully in about a week or so, we'll be done with that. And then solar team is going to end probably by the end of October, but we'll see how that goes down. Let's see here from Yucatan, Mexico with my beach renovation. I actually went to a restaurant most of today to get away from the noise. When they're working on that stuff, it is loud. When they're working on the stone and everything. Everything else that doesn't really bug me, but that does. And it's getting close to sunset, but it's kind of cloudy. You can see the sunsets over there, but that's the ocean. We've been putting the extra sand here. And so once they're done, we'll probably flatten it out a bit and everything. That's a lot. We're going to do this fence over again, work on this fence as well. Just those are the things that would be done last and not a big, huge hurry on. Wait, hey, if you like this, make sure you hit the like button. And if you got a comment, questions you got regarding doing a renovation in Mexico or even a foreign country, really, let me know in the comments. Really appreciate that. And just like what we're doing, just say that. Subscribe to the channel. We're going to have more videos like this and everything for a while. And I'm getting close to this one. And then we're going to have all kinds of projects while enjoy the place before we start a couple of new ones. There is a couple more projects we need, but we want to play one of those next year. And all right, hey, click those bell notifications and we'll get notified exactly when I upload a video. Thanks for everyone for joining me today, and we'll see you next time. Bye.